Hello students, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I have adopted a question from your exercise 6.2. This question also asked in HS final examination. The question is, show that y equal to log 1 plus x minus twice x divided by 2 plus x, where x is greater than minus 1, is an increasing function of x throughout its domain. So this question can be done by following the 3 steps which is mentioned in the previous videos. The conditions are, the condition number 1 is, so in the condition number 1 what we do, we find the critical points by, so in the first step we first differentiate the function with respect to x, then we equate to 0 to find the critical points. After that, with the help of the critical points, we divide the real line into disjoint intervals. So in the disjoint intervals, we check whether the function is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing by choosing some points on the particular intervals. So let's solve this problem by step. So in the first step, what we do, we find the derivatives of the function. That means the given function. We have dy by dx equal to ddx of log 1 plus x minus ddx of twice x divided by twice x. Since the given function is y equal to log 1 plus x minus twice x divided by 2 plus x. So after that, what we have, ddx of log x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. Since log x is not a just function of x, it is a function of 1 plus x. Therefore, we use the chain rule, ddx of 1 plus x. So in the second portion, what we have, it is a function of the type fx by gx. So we use the quotient rule. So with the help of the quotient rule, we have minus 2 plus x whole square, 2 plus x ddx of twice x minus twice x ddx of 2 plus x. So after simplifications, what we have, 1 by 1 plus x minus 4 divided by 2x plus whole square. So after that, we have 1 plus x 2 plus x whole square, and now it is given that the domain of the function is x greater than minus 1. So we have, look at the board, x is greater than minus 1. Therefore, it implies that if we add both sides of the greater than symbol plus 1, we have x plus 1 greater than minus 1 plus 1. So which implies x plus 1 is greater than 0. Therefore, the quantity x plus 1 is greater than 0. That means it is positive. Again, observe the differentiation of the function. That means derivatives of the function dy by dx equal to x square divided by 1 plus x 2 plus x whole square. So in the numerator we have x square, which is a positive quantity because it is a perfect square quantity. Therefore, it is always positive. So that means it is greater than 0. Again, in the denominator, we have a quantity 2 plus x whole square, which is also a perfect square. Therefore, it is also a positive quantity. That means it is greater than 0. So remaining quantity left in the derivatives of the function is 1 plus x, which is also greater than 0 by the definition of the domain. That means x is greater than minus 1. So which implies that x plus 1 is greater than 0. That means x plus 1 is also greater than 0. So finally we can conclude that dy by dx is a positive quantity. That means it is greater than 0. Therefore, the given function f of x equal to log of 1 plus x 2x divided by 2 plus x is increasing function in the domain of the function. That means x greater than minus 1 for all values of x in this given domain. So I hope you can understand this problem in a better way. So thank you for watching my videos.